World Champion George. I did it again. Ugh!
Keep it going. Keep rolling. You're rolling. Keep it rolling. You want to cut?
Spitting all over the damn place.
You want to cut?
Yes.
All right.
Those are all.
That would be a cut.
Those are all.
Bloopers. That would be a cut.
World Champion Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm gonna share with you how to make a smoothie. I did it again. Dang it! Ugh! World Champion Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm gonna share with you how to make guess what? I did it again. This guy, will you stop moving in the background and stay focused? You're wiggling like a
You know what? I ain't so done with you.
Woo! Alright, cut. World Champion Chef George here. You moving, bro!
What'd I do?
As soon as you hit the button, you start going like this, like you Rain Man.
All right.
Vern, V-R-N, Vern.
Okay.
Ho,
Okay.
Vern.
Okay.
World Champion Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show.
Again? Come on, man. You serious?
Woo!
Are you serious?
Alright, so that's cut.
Are you serious?
Cut.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hook your boy up. Like, share. I'm Chef George. I'm out.